Did this jaw-dropping video come from Veo? Sora? One of those big-shot AI platforms everyone's obsessed with? Not even close. This masterpiece was made using a wildly underrated AI tool out of China called Magi. And trust me, it's on another level. Here's the kicker. I'll show you exactly how to use it 100% free, with a clever trick that unlocks unlimited access. Welcome to Unzip AI and Grow, where we go beyond the buzz and spotlight the AI tools no one's talking about yet. If you're hunting for your next creative edge, you're exactly where you need to be. Let's dive in without wasting time. Scroll down to the description and click the link for Magi so you can follow along in real time. First stop, sign up. It's the usual stuff: name, email, password. I'll go ahead and enter my email here. Once you're in, head to your inbox and verify your account using the confirmation email Magi sends you. Now, back on the site, you will see that you have free 500 credits right there. You'll also notice there are 3 main panels: Canvas, Human, and Assets. Let's talk about the human section first. I tried it out, and honestly, most of it isn't very useful yet. But the audio generation part? That actually works. You can create voiceovers right here. Just paste your script, make sure it's around 30 seconds, choose a voice you like, and hit generate. It only costs 10 credits. Quick and easy. Now let's get to the real star of the show, the canvas. This is where we'll create our AI videos for free. Click Create New Project. Right away, you'll notice Magi feels different. No complex timelines, no overwhelming tools. Instead, you get a clean, open canvas. It's more like a digital storyboard or creative whiteboard. You build your ideas visually and link them together however you want. You'll see 2 options when starting out. On the right, you can browse your past assets and projects. But since we're starting from scratch, click the one on the left, Upload from Device. For this demo, I'm uploading a high-res image of a cat, just to push Magi a bit and see what it can do. Once your image appears on the canvas, find the small plus icon. That's your main action button. Tap it and a menu pops up. Now you'll see a few important settings. Motion prompt. Describe the movement or mood you want, or leave it blank and let the AI handle it. Duration. How long you want the video to be. Variation. How many versions you want to generate. Here's where it gets interesting, and where you want to be smart about credit usage. Credit breakdown. 1 second of video equals 10 credits. So a 5-second video equals 50 credits. But here's the trick. If you increase variation to 2, that same 5-second video now costs 100 credits. 50 credits, x 2 versions. At variation 3, it's 150 credits. The longer the video and the more versions you generate, the more credits it will use. Simple math, but super important to understand if you want to maximize quality without blowing through your credits. So plan ahead. Start small, test your prompts, and tweak as needed before going big. I spent some time studying this system, and once you get the hang of it, it's easy to control your usage and get amazing results without paying a dime. Make sure to keep the Enhance Prompt option checked. It gives the AI a chance to polish your input and deliver better results. Now go ahead and hit Generate. Quick heads up, when you click that button, don't be alarmed if you see a message saying your project's been queued or given a wait time. Totally normal. Since we're using the free version, we're not jumping ahead of the line like premium users. But no worries, it usually only takes a few minutes. So sit back, grab a coffee, stretch for a bit, and let the AI do its thing. Now, the result might not blow your mind right away, especially if you're seeing odd motion or a few glitches. That's part of the process. Don't ditch the project just yet. This is a tool built on iteration. Try adjusting the variation settings. Use simpler images or fine-tune your prompt. The key is to experiment and keep refining, because the magic is in the tweaking. Let's test that theory. This time, I'm uploading an AI-generated portrait on a beach. It's not a real photo, but it looks realistic. The details are soft, not super crisp. Exactly the kind of input I want to test. I want to see how well Magi can take low-quality material and turn it into something cinematic. Just give it a few seconds. And here's the cool part. How many credits you spend directly affects your video's quality. So play around with the variation levels and keep that credit-to-quality ratio in mind. The tech is improving fast. What you're seeing today, it's the worst this tool will ever be. It gets better every single week. But eventually, you'll notice your credits start to run low. And here's what most people do. They either give up or reach for their wallet. But not us. We've got a smart workaround for that. All right, here's the workaround. And trust me, it's super simple. You've got two options. First, create multiple Gmail accounts. You can use free temporary email services to spin up new addresses in seconds. It's quick, easy, and keeps your free credits flowing without much hassle. But in case Magi ever patches that method, don't worry, we've got a plan B. Here's the trick. Log out of your current account. Now, we're going to sign up again, but using a sneaky little Gmail trick. Let's say your original email is giftdynamo7@gmail.com. For your new account, just sign up using something like giftdynamo7@gmail.com. You can place any letter or word before the dot. It doesn't matter. Gmail will treat it as the same inbox. But here's the magic. To Magi, it looks like a completely brand new user. To Gmail, it's still you because Gmail ignores the dots and usernames. That means all your confirmation emails still land in your main inbox. Click the verification link, and boom, you're back in. New account, fresh credits. Same email, no switching, no stress. Let's prove it works. I'll fire up a new project, hit the plus button, upload an image, tweak the settings, and let Magi run wild. New video. Zero cost. Unlimited creativity. And just like that, you've unlocked a next-gen image-to-video platform with a clean visual workflow and a smart little hack for unlimited usage. If this guide saved you time, sparked your creativity, or just gave you an edge, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tricks, and drop a comment sharing what you're creating next. Thanks for watching, and keep creating.